that day, and he has come, willingly accepted our invitation. So thank you, sir, for coming and receive our token of love. Let's put our hands together, my dear children. I want to hear thunderous applause from all of you. So thank you, sir, for also. So thanks to you all. So thank you.
Sports Day celebration.
We warmly welcome our
I request all the Tiprasa society. So, please I request all the Tiprasa society to guide and shape and listen their problem. The missionary, wherever they suffer, we have to help them so that they can run the schools and guide us as the backbone of the society. As we know, education is the backbone of society. They are blessing to get education. So we can say they are part of the backbone of our Tiprasa society. And I promise the missionary, if they have any problem, please, if you are in the problem, please discuss with me so that I can ventilate your problem to the present government, being a representative of missionary. Thank you. Jotana khulumka hambai humkaham. Tinini annual sports day ni salo chini serai rok je tini serungnai thungnai borongni je samung
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नाम.
respecting by the rules which govern them, committing ourselves to a sport in the
loyalty and strength, led by Captain Redison Riang and the Vice Captain Lanita Riang.
The greenhouse is led by Nelson Uchoy and Vice Captain Regina Rian.
Now, watching the adorable marching of Yellow
Chumari Rian. Now at your side is a gracious march of Red House. Is marching majestically in front. Dress in red symbolize passion, power, sincerity, and strength.
Assembly, Karbok constituency.
Open. Thank you.
Together for our chief guest, my dear children.